If you've lost access to your Amazon Prime account due to suspicious activity, follow these steps to regain access. This guide will help you navigate the recovery process effectively. Step 1. Visit the Amazon sign-in page. Go to the Amazon website and click on the sign-in button. Enter your email address or mobile number associated with your account. Step 2. Click on Forgot Your Password. If you can't access your account, click on the Forgot Your Password link. This will initiate the password recovery process. Step 3. Verify your identity. Follow the prompts to verify your identity. You may receive a verification code via email or SMS. Enter the code as instructed to proceed. Step 4. Create a new password. Once your identity is verified, you will be prompted to create a new password. Choose a strong password that you haven't used before to enhance your account security. Step 5. Review account activity. After regaining access, review your account activity for any unauthorized transactions. If you notice anything suspicious, report it to Amazon's customer service immediately. By following these steps, you should be able to regain access to your Amazon Prime account and secure it against future issues. If you continue to experience problems, consider contacting Amazon support for further assistance.